Hey guys, it's Jason with Grand Teton Harley-Davidson in Idaho Falls, Idaho. Today we are going to be working on a 2022 Nightster. We're going to be doing a new set of bars on it, some grips, and then some of the 66 collection just to dress it up a little bit. We're also going to be putting on some chrome heat shields and a velocity stack. Let's see where we go with this. So we started the build with replacing the handlebars. These bars are a little bit taller, a little bit wider, and it moves them closer to the rider. With that, we also installed a reach seat, which slides the rider forward more into the center of the bike. If you're a shorter rider and have a hard time reaching your controls or your handlebars, this is a perfect combination for you. So with the new handlebars, we also installed a set of 66 collection grips. Really nice grips, a little bit fatter. They've got a nice machined out centerpiece, Harley-Davidson in bronze, really good looking grips. We installed the 66 collection foot pegs and shifter peg. The foot pegs are great. They're a lot bigger than the factory peg. They're wider, fatter, gives you a lot better foot support. And the shifter peg, same thing. It's bigger than the stock one, gives you a lot better shifting. We also put on the alternator cover in the 66 collection and the tank medallion. Both great looking pieces. It all ties in really nicely. We replaced the stock airbox intake cover with a velocity stack that Harley makes. Great piece, really thick billet aluminum, looks sporty on this bike. We replaced the heat shields on the exhaust with the chrome heat shields and left the stock muffler black. I really wasn't sure if I would like the look of these chrome heat shields when we first put them on, but once we got the bike on the ground and saw it in a different light, it looks great. Great contrast, just gives it a little character. All right guys, that wraps it up with this one. Really happy with how the accessories went on. Looks great. I think the customer's gonna be really happy. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.